In today's video, I want to show you how you can integrate Google Analytics with your Firebase project. So firstly, I will choose my project in Firebase, which I want to integrate with it. And then you should see Analytics on the left side. And you want to go to Dashboard. And from here, you have option to enable Google Analytics. So you can click on it. Now you just want to select your account. So you have option to also create a new one if you don't have account, or you can select your account. Automatically create a new property in this account. So you can create also the property over here. So I will keep it on automatically create a new property, then enable Google Analytics. And now once the Google Analytics is enabled, you should add the SDK for each app in your project to enable measurement and reporting. So I have this web, and you can use NAP or script tag. Then done with web and finish. And now Google Analytics should be integrated with your Firebase project, so you can track your analytics over here. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.